EagleRidge, trusted roofing contractor in Benjamin, Utah. EagleRidge is the leading roofing contractor in Benjamin, Utah, 84660, providing top-tier services for both residential and commercial projects. Known for their exceptional workmanship, EagleRidge's team of certified professionals specializes in a wide variety of roofing materials, including asphalt shingles and metal roofing systems, ensuring every project meets the highest industry standards. Clients in the 84660 area trust EagleRidge for their transparent pricing, timely completion, and extensive warranties, which reflect the company's dedication to customer satisfaction. With a focus on using premium materials and advanced techniques, EagleRidge delivers durable and long-lasting roofing solutions designed to withstand the test of time. EagleRidge's reputation for reliability and expertise is reinforced by their meticulous attention to detail and the high ratings they consistently receive from satisfied customers. Whether it's residential or commercial roofing, EagleRidge is the trusted choice for residents and businesses in Benjamin and the surrounding Wasatch Front area. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website, eagleridgepros.com, to learn more about how we can meet your roofing needs.